Gravity holds a planet together, but gravity does not organize it. Without magnetism, a planet cannot protect itself, cannot regulate energy, and cannot sustain long-term complexity. Magnetism is not decoration, it is control. A rotating planet is not automatically magnetic. Rotation must couple with internal motion. The core must move relative to the mantle. Without differential motion, there is no field. Spin alone is not ignition. A planetary core is not just hot, it is conductive. When molten metals move, electrical currents form. When currents circulate, magnetic fields emerge. This is not chemistry, this is electrodynamics. Venus lacks a global magnetic field today, not because it failed, but because its engine is immature. Its rotation is slow, its internal shear is weak, its convection is intermittent. But none of this is permanent. Engines develop. They do not appear fully formed. Magnetism does more than deflect radiation. It stabilizes mass distribution. It reinforces rotational coherence. It amplifies effective gravity by organizing charged matter. This is why magnetic planets grow more complex over time. Here is the feedback loop. Rotation increases convection. Convection strengthens magnetism. Magnetism stabilizes rotation. Stability allows further growth. This loop is slow, but once established, it accelerates development. Venus is not missing magnetism. It is approaching it. The engine has not ignited, but the conditions are assembling. This is a planet on the verge of control.